1. Choose how you want to straighten your short curly hair. You may be able to straighten your bob with the product and a comb, or your hair might require heat to smooth out. 2. Wash and condition your hair with products designed for curly locks. Curly hair can easily frizz, especially when styled with heat. Specialized shampoo can help it stay sleek and smooth. 3. Apply hair products such as mousse, silicone cream or straightening serum to wet hair. Brush or comb the product through your hair, concentrating on the ends. The heavier the serum, the straighter it will keep your hair. If your hair is only slightly curly, you may be able to straighten it with a mousse and a straightening comb alone. Skip the hairdryer, and instead allow your hair to air dry with the serum distributed through it. 4. Straighten your hair with a flat iron. A flat iron allows you to straighten every curl, regardless of how short. Isolate 1 to 2 inch sections of dry hair. Clamp the flat iron around each section at your scalp, then slowly drag it down to the ends of your hair. Repeat for each section of hair. 5. Apply a finishing product to your hair. Because curly hair tends to frizz after heat is applied, you should complete your straight style by applying a pea-sized amount of pomade wax to your locks. The pomade not only adds weight to your hair but also seals out moisture that could frizz your straight style.